Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a wash day video, part 1. I will have part 2 up soon. Part 2 is just the styling of my hair, while this part 1 is strictly me washing my hair. I wanted to do an updated wash day routine for my channel. I haven't posted one in a very long time, so I just wanted to post an updated one and show you all what has changed. Not much has changed. Probably the only thing that has changed is my pre-poo routine, and you see that here. I am in the process of incorporating more Ayurvedic herbs in my wash day routine. While most of those herbs, or some of those herbs, are in a lot of the products that I use, I just kind of wanted to reinforce and use different kinds of herbs to help promote my growth, help promote healthy strands, strong strands. So that was the reason why I kind of got into using or wanting to use more Ayurvedic herbs. Maybe that's a video that I'll do later on as well, just kind of talking about the benefits of that. So here it is, part 1 of my wash day. Please watch, comment, like, and share. If you want to see more videos like this or want to see me try different products, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to oblige. And you know, if you had any video suggestions, let me know. Again, happy to oblige those as well. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the link, click the button down below and click the bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. And yeah, enjoy. See y'all on the next video. Bye.